Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing video. And today I have a couple of watches that I've been looking forward to getting into review. This first one is coming via Random Rob. My friend Random Rob has graciously sent this watch in. It is a watch that he has reviewed recently, and I don't know. I wanted to see it, and he said sure. He checked with the manufacturer, the creator, the owner of the brand, and he gave Rob his blessing. Sorry, oops, I didn't realize it was gonna be. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, okay, a little noisy. I'm sorry. Uh, but yeah, so as you can see here, Visitor. So this watch, this brand is very, very interesting. I feel like its style is polarizing, but in a good way. Wow, look at this. Look at this watch. Let me take my watch off first. I have a G-Shock with a model number that I always forget, so I'm not going to even bother. But let's take a look at this thing. Wow, look at that. Now, so what's really interesting about this watch is, of course, the handset, right, and the hour indices. Um, and it's definitely polarizing. There's people who do not like this, and there's people that do like it. And I don't know where I fit in. I have a Tudor Black Bay 58, and at first when I saw the Tudor hands, the snowflake hands, I was like, that's not for me. And then I became obsessed with it. It kind of just switched on me, and so I think the same thing might be happening here with Visitor. Let me put this on wrist so I can show you guys really quick. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long, but so this is one of these other interesting micro brands that are out there that I want to check out. I certainly don't mind checking them out every once in a while. Wow, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice looking watch. Interesting. So I'm really looking forward to wearing this for a couple days. And yeah, it's got the Visitor uh, writing on the 3 o'clock, just above the 3 o'clock side there. That's also very polarizing too, because you have a watch like Christopher Ward that has the Christopher Ward written on the 9 o'clock side, and I know for me that's a bit of a turn off, right? Some people will say just get over it. But yeah, so it's interesting that I find this watch more appealing so far than I do a Christopher Ward, and it's basically the logo or the name of the brand is just on the other side. That's it. And so I got another watch here, and my buddy John, who had sent me the who had sent me the Zin 857 UTC that I ended up buying off of him, sent me another watch. And he's got quite the German watch collection, by the way, folks. And so he sent me an Archimede. I believe that's how you say this name. Now every time I've seen an Archimede, or most times I see them online, um, it's usually like a Flieger watch that you see. I'm having a little trouble here getting this out. But so this is not the Flieger. This is another model. I believe it's called the Outdoor. Okay, I'm back. So had a little trouble getting this out. John definitely packs his watches really, really well, so I can't complain. But sometimes they're a little tricky. Wow, look at this guy. So I don't. This is another watch where I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Um, but it's very, very interesting. I'm a sucker for these German watches and these German brands. So really looking forward to give this a go. Look at those crown guards. Wow. Um, let's see. He's got a little bit bigger wrist than I do, I believe. So it may not fit totally. I may have to do some adjustment. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger on my wrist, but yeah, I mean, case diameter wise, lug to lug. I mean, it's got an interesting. It looks like an integrated bracelet thing going on here with the case. I mean, if it looks like it's going to fit fine. But wow, awesome watch. So I am quite a treat tonight unboxing these two, and I look forward to reviewing these guys and letting you guys know. Very interesting watches. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging in there, and I'll see you guys with a review on these two very soon.